Barameda, married to Reverend Father Ronel Barameda. I have 3 kids. My elders, 15 years old, and my daughter, 11 years old and 5 years old. I came from Saudi 2 years and 10 months.
One employer?
One employer.
You serve one family only, okay. You start working when?
At 2009 to 2011. Then I came back at 2011 at I came back to Philippines at 2012.
Why? Where did you go? You said 2011 you work in, until 2011 you work where? Saudi?
In Saudi.
And then you went
I
back?
finished contract, but then I came back and my employer also.
Okay, for a while. So you work in Saudi Arabia.
Saudi.
Okay, your first contract, you start working when? 2009?
9 to 2011.
11, okay. So, and then you went back home for a vacation for how long?
2 months.
Only 2 months, and then you went back to the same employer.
Yeah.
Okay, 2011, what month?
Came back.
Yeah,
August.
go back to Saudi.
August.
August. And then, how many years then you work there again?
Until March 8, I came back here in Philippines.
March 8, what year?
2012.
2012. Okay. So, all in all, around 2 years and
10
then,
months.
okay. So, supposed to be employer renew for another 2 years. So, but you was not able to finish the second contract. Why did you go home?
Because I feel sick, because in Saudi it's very hot.
What kind of sickness?
Nung,
Just minor sickness or major sickness? I mean, very serious one?
no, not serious.
Okay, so you are the one who decided to go back home.
Yeah.
Okay, and what are you doing since you came back from Saudi?
I clean everything like
No, since you came back from Saudi Arabia, what are you doing here in the Philippines
Nothing.
until now? Just a plain housewife.
yeah.
Okay. In Saudi Arabia, how many person are you serving?
He has 8 children and my employers, and he has also the mother and father of but
How all in all,
12.
how many
12
person?
person.
12 person in the house. How many maids?
Before I 2.
When you
One.
first worked there were 2 maids, 2
Yeah.
of you. When you
One.
go back for the second contract, how many are you?
1.
Only you.
In 5 floor,
5-story house.
5 stories.
Because of course, so you serve all the 12 person, but you still manage.
Yeah, I can manage.
Okay, so this time, if you got a big size family in Hong Kong, are you
Yeah.
still willing to serve?
Yes.
Even you're alone?
Yes.
But preferably, how many person you think you like to serve?
6 or 8 maybe.
And if got children or small children to take care, how old do you prefer? How old?
Even small baby.
Even newborn, no problem. Okay. So anytime you can go, you are ready.
Yeah.
You prepare food in Saudi Arabia before,
No, I'm helping only my employer.
helping your employer. But can you prepare their food there? Any Saudi food, Arabic food, you know?
If they have ingredients, I will.
So just you know how to follow
Yeah.
instruction. So it could be easily for you also to learn Chinese cooking or other international
Yes.
dishes. So what can you say to the employer if they will hire you?
If they want me, I will promise there to do hard and promise that I'm honest also.
Okay. Work harder this time.
Yeah, hard.
Good luck.
Thank you.